are special because they bring people into the world. Women are special because they shape the world. They are strong enough not to fall apart because of the inequality that they receive. And women are really, really special as they are most sensitive, caring, and maternal people in the world. Today we are celebrating International Women's Day, and this is Meenakshi Chaudhary from class 8 on behalf of DPS wishing to all the women of the world a very, very happy International Women's Day. To honor the women's achievement, the UN announced March 8 as International Women's Day. The theme for this year is Women in Leadership Achieving an Equal Future in a COVID-19 World. The theme highlights how women can be made equal partners in the decision-making process, especially with regard to policy making. In many parts of the world, women continue to be underpaid and work in vulnerable conditions. It's important to break cultural, historic, and socio-economic barriers that prevent the progress of women. This day marks a call to action to achieve gender parity. So let us all choose to challenge, celebrate women's achievement, raise awareness against bias, take action for equality. My dear friends, we all are humans and should be treated equally with equal rights and opportunities. We should not forget that women deserve equal freedom and opportunities in everything like men. But the world is moving towards gender inequality. Let us all praise women who work hard every day to accomplish individual and professional goals. Let us all appreciate the women and their tremendous contribution to society as well. Thank you. Have a nice day.